As a homeopaths, we have privilege of observing the lives of our clients very closely, the ups and downs of their mind, bodies and soul. The smiles we see on their faces in the waiting room or on social media does not reveal their true stories. Everyone experiences tough days, but as an adult, we are conditioned to fake those feelings with a fake smile. However, once they enter the consultation room, we have the opportunity to see their emotional vulnerability. This is applicable to the individuals of all the genders, age group, caste, and creed. In recent years, many people have expressed the desire for peace of mind, a personal sanctuary that is undisturbed by the people around them. While we are inherently social beings, we all crave our personal space, isn't it? But the pressing question is how to achieve this state of mind. Fortunately, there are few simple, subtle, and doable ways to do and achieve this peace of mind, even amidst the chaos of life. So far, we have been guiding our clients on this journey individually during their consultations. But due to the increasing demand of such a support, we are excited to offer the same guidance in the retreat format, which is open for all, whether you are our patient or not our patient. It is open for all the general public who want change in their life, who want a newer perspective in their life, who are actually searching who they are, what they actually want in life, what is their purpose in life. So we warmly welcome all of you for a 2.5 day retreat in the heart of Sahyadri Mountains, nestled in nature, to be a part of this transformative event on the life, which promises to make your life more enjoyable, more relatable, and more happier space to live and not to live as a burden. For any queries, you can reach to us on this phone number 7588539531. We are here to help you out. Let's together make this 2.5 days stay at the retreat a memorable one and an enlightening one. After the retreat, you can actually experience a major shift in your life. That's what our clients have been telling when we have one-to-one consultations, and now we are open for all of you. So do join in.